This is unbelievable, you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how much snow this is. This is in the chair. That is a foot of snow. That is a foot of snow. That's all the way. That's a whole foot. There's a foot of snow. And you talking about flurries are coming down. I mean, this you can't even see my stairs any longer. Can't see the stairs any longer. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Unprecedented snowfall. Unprecedented. Look at this. I'm stepping down and covering my boots completely. Like and subscribe. More for the real eternal escapade.